So here's the challenge that happens to me, and it might happen to you. You can spend literally hours working on a picture, and at the end of the day, you can discover that you really haven't changed it, that it never really gets better. You think you're improving it, and it can be so frustrating, and it can take so long. What I want to share with you right now can be a game changer for that. You can dramatically shorten the amount of time it takes to make strong work, really impactful work. So I'm not talking about just doing the same old, I mean getting stronger work. My dad used to have a saying when I was growing up, and it had to do with putting energy into something that fundamentally wasn't working well. He had this saying, you can't make a silk purse out of a sow's ear, which I don't think I've ever said that out loud, but the point is, there's time and opportunity to focus on something when it's got the fundamental building blocks of something that's strong and exciting to look at when we're looking at art. And that's when you're going to put detail into it. You're going to put extra work into it. You're going to do those refinements because there's a strong base. So let me explain. I've got these two paintings here. This painting on the right is much cruder. I love the colors on the left. I'm falling in love with the colors over here. But this is really interesting from a distance. It's not like anything I've ever made before, and it's going off. It's got an energy about it that is undeniable. We might not like it, but somebody might. It's just got some juice, it's got some energy. This is clear, it's got darks and lights moving around, and yes, it's still crude, but this picture has some juice and energy. This one over here is beautiful, amazing color, but do you see how you might just walk right by it? The value contrast maybe, or I don't know what it is, but the kinds of changes that have to happen to this one, they have to be bold. For me to make this, I had to cover up so much stuff. You go into, to make this start to work, you've got to do big changes. You got to be fearless, right? Now I can simmer down and I can perfect this and do subtleties and get into it, but it's got a framework to hold it. This one, I have to go in and paint over this thing and paint on it and be loose, and I'm going to lose some of this and I'm avoiding it. But this will never be an amazing picture like this. And if I add little colors and write cute things on it, it'll never go. It's got to take the giant step that this took. If you're willing to do that, if you can do this and be fearless and stay on it till you get that fundamental thing that's got juice and energy, this will save you much time, because to do this doesn't take a lot of time because you're free, you're playing, you're experimental, and you're bold, and no part of the picture is sacred. Here, I'm all worried about losing these colors, and I love this paper, and it's like a minefield over here. I hope that resonated with you. This is the only way that I know that I can get the work done in time for these exhibitions. I don't have tons of time. I've got to make it. I've got to make the work. I got to get it strong. I can mess around for a while, but I can't spend too long messing around. I need to get the work strong. Let me know in the comments if this makes sense. This is kind of a higher level teaching, coaching thing, and I'm not sure I might, let me know if this is making sense in your experience with it. It's really the difference between pulling this off as a career and just getting really frustrated and just being like super low at producing productivity, I hope you get to make some art today, and I hope you take some big chances, and I hope this inspired you. Okay, thanks so much.